Hi, my name is Shane, and welcome to the next installment of Shout Out Saturdays. That's right, everybody, I'm back, and today we're going to be talking about Anthony, who has a YouTube channel, The Russian Woodworker. Now, as normal, you can click next to me here to go directly to his YouTube channel, or there will be a link in the description below that will take you directly to his channel. Alright, so let me tell you about Anthony. Now, Anthony is a 15-year-old woodworker who was born in Daly, California, but now resides in Concord, California. Now, I asked him what's his earliest memories of being a woodworker, and he told me that his mom and dad actually said that when he was real young, they gave him a hammer, nails, and even a 2x4, and he just started pounding the nails right in the 2x4. Sounded like to me he was a woodworker from the get-go. Now, like most of us, Anthony started woodworking back in school. But around 6th or 7th grade, he met a man from San Francisco. And this gentleman, he actually takes copper pipes, solders them together, makes intricate little figurines, statues, whatnot. Real beautiful stuff. And he asked Anthony, do you want to learn how to do this? Well, Anthony said yes. So he took Anthony under his wing, taught him the ins and outs on how to build these copper figurines, and was doing really good at it. The downfall is that this gentleman lived about an hour away. And Anthony, being as young as he is, he couldn't make the trip all the time. So their visitations wasn't that often. Now comes the bad news now. Anthony actually got the news that he was sick and was in the hospital. And the next day, he actually passed away. So you can imagine how that really touched Anthony pretty hard. But Anthony did not let that be the downfall. He took the knowledge that the gentleman gave him, plus the knowledge of his woodworking, and he combined them. And in 7th grade, his woodshop teacher seen that Anthony knew what he was doing and was very good at it, so he basically just gave him the run of the mill and let him build what he wanted to build at school. Now, his main influences in woodworking is not only his woodshop teacher, but also the gentleman from San Francisco. Now, woodworking is not the only passion that Anthony has. Yeah, that's right. He actually has another life outside of woodworking. Imagine that. There's life outside of woodworking. Go figure. No, but for the past 7 years, he's been doing piano, done very good at it. He also does ballroom dancing, loves it, and even does kung fu. Don't mess with him. Alright, without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to Anthony from The Russian Woodworker.
Welcome back to The Russian Woodworker. Final shape of the knife cut out, and I think that this will probably be one of my best knives yet, if not the best. Okay, I have all the teeth filed in. Now I'm going to grind off all the scale on the knife that formed during the heat treat on the belt sander with the 120 grit. Now I'm going to cut out the shape of the knife handle itself. I have the handle nice and sanded now, and this is actually a really beautiful wood, especially since I made it go cross grain like this. Now I'm going to be finishing it with some boiled linseed oil. And now the knife is done. This knife actually turned out really nice, and I'm surprised that I managed to make a knife that looks this nice. I even took some time and ground in some finger slots so that when you're cutting, you have somewhere to hold it. And I'm not going to polish up the blade because I want to leave it at a rough, distressed look. And the pins, they also turned out very nice. And yeah, thanks for watching me make this knife. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Anything else you would like me to build in future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
And there you go, another shout out Saturday. And if you like this video, please give me that thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And please share this video with your friends and family, and even on your social network, so we can get their subscribers up to where they belong. Now if you or somebody you know who has under 1,000 subscribers and would like to have a shout out done on themselves, go ahead and leave me the name and the YouTube channel in the description below, and I can add them to the list. My name is Shane. Shane's Hobby Shop. We'll see you next time.